I'm gonna show you my new product. Hey girl, welcome back to Glam Life by Meg, where I teach you how to efficiently and glamorously live your very best life. Say hi in the comments if you're new here. It's nice to virtually meet you. Before we get to the good stuff, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And don't forget to ring that bell so that you can be notified every single time that I post a new video. I am thrilled to announce that I am launching a product today. If you're watching this video, this is now available. I have designed coloring pages for all of you to enjoy. I'm so excited to talk to you about them. They are live today, July 1st, 2020. They are regularly priced at $5.99, but for launch day, I am going to make them available for $3.99, so get on it. So why did I create a coloring book? Coloring has definitely swept the nation, especially as of late, due to our free time that we've been having on our hands. So I figured, why not make something that everybody can enjoy? We love to color in our debt-free charts and our savings goals. We love coloring that in. But what do we do in between? And we need to relax, but we still want to feel a little bit of motivation. That's where my financial coloring pages come in. I chose lots of different quotes that would inspire you to keep going with your financial journey, but also not be tied to how much money you have. You can do that if you so choose. You can turn it into a savings chart, but I made them really fun and colored them in myself because obviously I had to have a good time with it and test them out myself. So my first quote says, "Money comes easily and frequently when you work for it." This one I'm still working on. It's so much fun. If you would be wealthy, think of saving as well as getting. So much fun. I have been having a blast. I designed these in Procreate. I used PicMonkey and Procreate to get exactly what we're looking for here. This one says, "You are worth more than the balance in your bank account," which you are. Remember that. This one's fun. "Money is a tool. It will take you wherever you wish, but it will not replace you as the driver." And then I have this car that I just went all decked out with, which I thought was super fun. Then we have a few more that are simple. "Failure is success in progress," a good old Albert Einstein quote with just some fun flowers, nothing crazy. We have some fun stars. "Do what you can with what you have where you are." We have a couple mandalas. "Sacrifice is giving up something good for something great." And "Anyone can be rich, it's just a question of what rich means to you." And then this one is actually one of my absolute favorites. "It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop." I drew some balloons up here and a little stack of coins because I thought that was just so fun. And one of the more simple pages, "Beware of little expenses. A small leak will sink a great ship." Benjamin Franklin. We had a couple Ben Franklin quotes in this one because, you know, he said a few things of note that we enjoyed. My goal with this coloring book was to give you a fun way to relax, but also stay inspired to achieve your goals. How did I do? You can find a link to download this for yourself in the description bar below. I have made it available for digital download so that you have access to these pages immediately, because I'm sure you want to get to coloring right away. Leave me a comment letting me know if you downloaded them, what you're excited about, any feedback that you have, because I definitely want to make more of these coloring books. This was so much fun, so much work, but so much fun. Before you go, make sure to answer the question of the day in the comment section below. What types of coloring books would you like to see next from me? Fashion, beauty, self-love? Let me know in the comment section below. And until next time, stay hydrated, sis.